Hello, now I'm going to talk about nail art printer on the market. There are two ways to get nail art. One is by hand drawing, another one is by nail art printer. This one on the slide is a Japanese nail art printer. It's very lightweight and easy to carry. You can often see it in public institutions in Japan. People can kill time with the nail art printer, get their nails done while taking the number. Some people might have it at home. You can choose different colors and patterns depending on the mood or daily outfit. Another feature of this nail art printer is that you can download any photos you want to the phone and print it out on your nails. It can be your pet or the view you see. So it's very convenient and variable. These nail art you see here are all by the nail art printer. And this printer can print 350 colors. So it's a very good choice to begin with the nail art carrier. The nail art removal is also very easy. You can do it by yourself at home instead of spending 1 or 2 hours at the nail salon. Here are some features of the nail art printer. Firstly, the paint is water-based. It can be removed with clean water. Secondly, it saves time and effort. Each nail can be completed in 10 seconds. Thirdly, it has a smart printing function. It can transfer pictures from your phone directly onto the nails. It also can customize any photos or patterns. In addition to the built-in styles, you can also print your own photos on the nails. On the right-hand side is the consumable material that will be used. There are 350 films, base gel, white nail polish, and finishing gel. Next, I'm going to talk about the 14 steps to complete nail art with the printer. It'll only take about 15 to 20 minutes to get 10 fingers done by following these 14 steps. Next, I would like to talk about the career perspective for nail technician. You can be a freelance or part-time nail technician, or you can open a nail salon and be a full-time nail technician. You can also become a teaching lecturer. If you are a freelancer, you can work part-time at different salons, cooperate with hairstylists or other beauty workers. In addition to nail art, eyelash extensions or eyebrow tattoo can also be added in your services to attract more customers. Next, I want to talk about difference between employed and self-employed nail technician. Why do most of the employees only earn about $1,000 to $1,500 a month? It usually takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to get 10 nails done for a customer. Say if you have 3 customers a day and work for about 6 hours, the average charge for one customer is about $55. Although the charge is $55, but it must be paid to the employer. So actually you only get about $20 for one customer. Then that is $60 a day. If you work for 20 days, then it is $1,200 a month. If you are a self-employed nail technician, having 3 customers and working 6 hours a day, you charge one customer $55. These $55 will not be drawn by the employer because you are the salon owner. then your income for one day is about $165. The income for working 20 days is $3,300. This shows that the income between employed and self-employed can be very different. Next, I would like to talk about the benefits of working with this nail art printer. It only takes 15 minutes to complete 10 nails. You can serve 24 customers in 6 hours. Say if you charge one customer $25 and you work 20 days a month, the monthly income will be over $12,000. Even if you only work 15 days, the monthly income will be over $9,000. This is one of the biggest benefits of using the nail art printer to serve your customers. Fully hand-painted nail art can be unique and creative, but it is very time-consuming. We can pass the basic steps to the nail art printer and then hand paint on the top of the nail or add some decor so that you can save a lot of time. All the above are the biggest differences between an employed and self-employed nail technician. Also, the differences between hand-painted nail art and nail art by a nail printer. We will be showing you the actual operation later. Hello everyone, my name is Eric. I've never learned manicure or anything about nail art. Today I'm going to introduce you this nail art printer. It is very convenient and easy to use. As long as you memorize the operation process, even for a beginner like me can get pretty nails done. First, I would like to introduce the tools, materials, and the app that need to be prepared before using the nail art printer. The first one is the nail file. The second one is cuticle softener. The third one is the wooden pusher. The wooden pusher is easier for beginners to use, and it will not harm the nails of the customers. The fourth one is cuticle nipper. The fifth one is a buffer, which polishes the nail surface. Next one is 75% alcohol. Cotton pad. A clean container for 75% alcohol. The above are the tools needed for manicure. Now I want to introduce the consumables used for the nail art printer. The first one is base coat. The second one is white nail polish. The third one is nail polish for the printer. The fourth one is finishing gel. These are consumables used for the nail art printer. Now I'm going to show you how to use the app. It has Android and iOS versions. First, go to the App Store, search Pre-Nail, and download it. Link to the nail art printer. Connect the Wi-Fi code pre-nail. Now it has been connected successfully. We will be using this printer to print out the nail art. And this one here is an UA lamp. What it does is to dry the nails. The above are all the tools that will be used today. Sanitize the back of the customer's hands, then the palm, and then sanitize the entire hand. After sanitizing, let's start with the 14 steps of this nail art printer. First step is polishing. Now the first step is completed. Then proceed to the second step. Apply base gel. Step 3 is let your customer put their hand in the UA lamp for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, use your finger to slightly tap on the customer's nail to check if the gel is completely dry. After making sure the gel is dry, go to the next step. Step 4 is apply white nail polish. Next, ask your customer to put their finger in the UA lamp and dry for 2 minutes. Check if the nail is completely dry. If it is dry, then we can go to the step 6. Step 6 is apply nail polish for the printer. And then dry it for 2 minutes. The next step is open the pre-nail app and press start. You can see that there are a total of 14 base colors, and there are several patterns to choose from in each base color. One of the biggest features of the nail art printer is that it can customize your pictures. Next, click My Design and click the pattern you want. I'm choosing this typographic map of South American countries for the thumb. After clicking, follow the instructions on the screen. Ask the customer to put the thumb in the printer. Then press the finger down. The button will automatically bounce back to hold the finger still. Now let's look at the phone screen. The camera will show the customer's nail. The screen is divided into 2 parts. Ask your customer to place the finger in the middle and aim at the blue icon below. Do not exceed the blue marking line. After confirming the position, press Start. You can adjust the position of the picture from the screen. And then press Start. At this time, customer must be reminded not to move their fingers. A prompt will appear on the screen after printing is complete. Press the button down before pulling out the finger. Next, let's do the index finger. After selecting the pattern, put the finger into the nail art printer. Press the finger down and the button will bounce back to hold the finger still. After confirming the position, press Start. This time I chose the map of Central America. After printing, press down the button and then pull the finger out. Next step is to ask your customer to put the finger into UA lamp and dry for 30 seconds. Make sure the nail is completely dry. Then apply finishing gel. And then dry for another 2 minutes. Now the nail art is done. So anyone can use this nail art printer well. Even people like me, without any experience, can easily create gorgeous nail art. And it can be for own use or be a business tool. The size of this printer is very small, very lightweight and easy to carry. And it can be operated anywhere. Now I would like to show you how to remove the nail art. What will be used are nail polish remover and cotton pads. First, apply some nail polish remover on the cotton pad. And cover the finger and slightly press it for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, slightly rub the paint off. Sometimes it is difficult to get the remover in between the fingers, so it might take several times to remove it. Now the nail art has been removed. The nail art printer is easy to use, and the removal is also pretty simple, which greatly improves the nail art printer is very easy to use, and the removal is also pretty simple, which greatly improves efficiency. That's it for today's introduction. Thank you very much for watching.